Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I've got this Porsche 987, this one here, Porsche 987 that we actually took the whole front end off to do a power steering rack. And let's have a look at the old power steering rack. Look at that, leaking straight out from the side seals right there. So we're going to we just done a thorough inspection of the actual plastic pipes, and the plastic pipes and the middle hoses are good. They're not broken and they're not leaking. They still look alright to me. We can reuse this one, so I'm gonna get some new O-rings just for these ones and these ones. We can reuse these ones. Maybe I might get new ones of these, maybe, but I'll see what parts are available. But everything's here, everything's off the car. We pretty much got the parts here ready. So we're going to assemble everything. I think we're just going to put everything back together there. All the plastic hoses are all good. Usually I'll replace them, but for now they look nice. They look good anyway. If you look closely. Some of them, this one here, they will crack. But for this one's alright. Okay. Now we're going to actually replace everything. Put everything back together. With the brand new steering rack here. Look at that. That's the worst leak that I've seen on a power steering rack on a Porsche. Usually they will leak a little bit, but this one here was just leaking straight out. That's on the side seals. The seals inside here, they wear and they break off, and that's what happened. Alright. Pretty much pretty involved job to do this. A lot of parts got to come off. And you got to be very careful not to break those parts as well. So just got to take your time and then do it properly. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Our BMW there's when the regulator fails, that's why it's in the workshop. Okay, thanks for watching, please subscribe.